Hey, and welcome back. So today it is Monday, and as I've been doing on Mondays, these business type videos versus the how-to videos and stuff. And for today's video, I actually wanted to just kind of take the time to thank all of my subscribers. I have right now 972 subscribers, and just a few months ago I hit 100 subscribers. So the channel has really blown up in the last few months, and I'm super grateful for that. And I wanted to not only thank you guys, but ask you if there's anything in particular that you wanted me to talk about. This channel started with like me doing how-to videos and tool reviews, and that's kind of what I thought it was going to be. Maybe some tips and tricks and some business stuff from time to time. But when COVID hit and I wasn't working and I was focusing on the PPP and unemployment and all that stuff that I was dealing with, and putting it out there, showing how much I was struggling with it and what I was doing to get through it, it seemed like that's where a majority of you guys came from. So I want to provide content that is valuable to you. You know, and honestly, I really like talking about the business side of stuff. Maybe even more so than I like doing the videos where I'm, you know, showing how to use a saw or something. So I want to know what you want, right? So I had started writing a book a couple months ago called, right now it's kind of loosely titled, The College Dropout's Guide to Starting a Successful Construction Company. And I've only got like 4 or 5 chapters done so far, and I've been giving it away for free. I've been kind of like, I have it posted on my personal website, which is nickborsellino.com. If you have any interest in it, it's basically me just talking about all the stuff that I've learned over the last 11 years being in business, that I wish somebody told me up front. So I'm trying to just package that all, and basically I'm giving it away for free right now. I don't know if it's ever going to turn into a book or not, so get it while you can. Just go to nickborsellino.com and sign up for the email list, and you'll get a link that'll bring you right to the book. And then when I publish new chapters, when you're on the email list, you'll get each chapter. So, but like I was saying, I want to know what you guys want from me. You know, the PPP, I've been doing videos on that, and the unemployment, of course, I've been doing the videos on that because it normally doesn't extend to people like me, but during COVID, they extended it to self-employed people. So I don't really have much more to talk about on those, although I said that about the PPP, and then I've released a couple more videos about it, just because they keep releasing more information that I feel like I need to pass on. But you know, as far as business stuff, you know, like the stuff that I'm talking about in my book about write-offs and insurance and subcontractors and like anything you could think, you know, accounting, all that kind of stuff. It's all things that like I said, I wish somebody just walked me through when I was starting out, or even today. There's still a lot of things that I don't know that I wish I knew. I'm sure I find things out every year that I go, wow, if only I had known this sooner, right? So I was doing a blog for a short period of time on borsellinocarpentry.com, but I stopped doing that. It didn't seem like, maybe people were reading it. It didn't seem like people were interested in it. So I kind of gave up on that. It was taking up some time. So that kind of fell off the wagon. But maybe people did like that, and I haven't been doing it. So I don't know. If you did like those blogs and you want more of those, let me know. Let me know if you've got any questions. Leave me all of your questions in the comments and all that stuff below. Of course, hit that thumbs up button because it helps other people get to see this. And you're probably not finding this by search because this is kind of just for my subscribers. But if you are here for the first time, feel free to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed and you haven't already, hit that little bell notification if you want to get little notifications of my new videos. All right, I guess that's about it. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. and I'll see you on the next video.